is a semi-dive pre-inspection prior to repair of rudder tip. Tip of the rudder has been damaged. I'm going to look at it, file it, prep it, hopefully put some studs in it and put two splash on 2 compound epoxy on it and repair it. So it will be nice and pretty again. It's the 22nd of January 2015. We're in Hollywood, Florida. As you've seen, leading edge of rudder on the bottom has a missing piece. And let's see what we can see me dive rudder repair part 2. Pre-drilled the brake area of the rudder and put a stainless steel bolt stud. And after that, we're going to put the epoxy. I'm just going to show the stud right now. So this is stage 2. Now we're going to do some epoxy mixing to apply it around, and it's going to be like a new corner built on this rudder. Yep. Alright, this is video number 3 of rudder repair, showing the epoxy on the rudder on top of the stainless stud.